Hi, hello. Welcome to Maths Class SJ YouTube channel. I would like to start the class with a beautiful quote, and the quote is:
If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you.
Today I will discuss about NCERT Class 10 Math subject, Chapter 1, that is real numbers. Okay, so in this chapter, first I will explain what is meant by real numbers. Okay, so first one is real number. Real numbers is represented by capital R. Okay, so real number is nothing but combination of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, so combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, so example for real number is, you can write square root of 10, pi, 3 by 5, 1 by 9. Okay, so these all are the examples for real numbers. Dear students, if you want to know the what is meant by rational and irrational number means, so I uploaded one video that is on types of numbers. In that video, I explained what are the types of numbers with definition, and also I given some examples. Okay, so if you want to watch that video means, I given that video link in description. Just you can go to description and you can watch that video. So now I will explain what is meant by lemma. Okay, lemma is a proven statement used for proving the another statement. Okay, so lemma is already, it is proven statement. Okay, it will use to prove another statement. Okay, this is the definition of lemma. Next I will go to Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so here Euclid means he is a Greek mathematician, and also he is said to be father of geometry. Okay, so his lemma says, if a and b are two given positive integers, there exists a unique positive integers q and r, which satisfying a is equals to bq plus r, where r is less than b or greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so I will explain here with one example. Okay, you can consider a is 7 and b is 2. Okay, so you can divide this 7 by 2. 2 3 is 6, you will get. Okay, 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, then here this is said to be dividend. Okay, so here 7 is dividend and 2 is divisor. Okay, so this 3 is said to be quotient and this is said to be remainder. Okay, so here r is less than b, so here b value is 2, so this is r. Okay, so r is 1 and b is 2, so therefore r is less than b. So here 1 is less than 2, so that's why r is less than b, you can write. Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute or to calculate the highest common factor of two given positive integers. Okay. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. And the question is, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of, first one is 135 and 225. This is the first question, and second question is 196 and 38,220. You can find these two HCF and these two numbers HCF. Okay, so first I will go to first one. You can write here solution. So what is given here? Here given one is 225, another one is 135. You can consider largest number is A and smallest number is B. Okay, so then you can use here Euclid's division lemma, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here A is 225. You can write here 225 and you can divide this 225 by 135. 135 1 ja 135 you can write. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0, so then this becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, so here you got remainder is 90. Okay, so here dividend is 225. You can write 225 is equals to divisor is 135 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. Okay, so again you can write here 90 and 135 this side. So here you can divide this divisor by remainder. Okay, so that is 135 divided by 90, you can write down 90 1 ja 90 you can write. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5, then this is 13 minus 9, then this becomes 4. Okay, this is 45. So here you got remainder is 45. Okay, so dividend is 135. Okay, so divisor is 90 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 45. Right, so once again you can divide this by remainder. Okay, so you can write here 45. Okay, so 90 divided by 45 can write 45 2 ja 90. Okay, so you got here remainder 0. When you will get here remainder 0, then we can call this divisor is HCF of the given two numbers. Okay, so you can write here 90 is equals to 45 into 2. Okay, so plus remainder is 0. Then you can write therefore, you can write here therefore HCF of 135 and 225 is 45, you can write. Okay, so similarly you can solve second one. Okay, so second one is 196 and 38,220. Okay, so you can consider greatest number is A. Okay, that is 38,220. Okay, so and smaller number you can consider B, that is 196. Okay, you can divide this A by B. Okay, so you can write down here 38,220 divided by 196 you can write. Okay, so after that 196 panja 196 you can take. This is 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay, then this becomes a 7. So 7 minus 9, so it is not subtracted because 7 is less than 9. Then you can take here one borrow, that is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, so then this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so next you can bring this 2 here. Next 196, so 19 is here, here 18. Okay, so one more number you can take, that is 186. So 99 ja you can take, right? So 9 6 ja 54, carry 5. 9 ja 81 plus 5 is 86. Okay, so 9 1 ja 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, you can write. Okay, so this is 12 minus 4, that is 8. This is 5. 5 minus 6, it is not possible. 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay, 7 minus 7 is 0, then this is 0. So this 0 you can write here. Okay, so next, so here this is 19 and this is 98. Okay, so 19 5 ja 95, right? So therefore you can write here 5. 5 6 ja 30, means carry 3. 5 9 ja 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. 48 means you can write here 8, carry 4. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5 plus carry 4 is 9. So that is 980. So 980 minus 980 means you will get here remainder 0. So therefore you can write here 38,220 is equals to divisor is 196 into quotient is 195 plus remainder is 0. Okay, so next you can write therefore HCF of 196 and 38,220 is, you can write here 196. Okay, so 196 is the HCF of 38,220 because you got here remainder 0. Right, so next I will go to third one. Third one. So here given A is equals to 867 and B equal to 255 you can consider. Okay, so because greater number you can consider A and smaller number you can consider B. Okay, so after that you can use here Euclid's division lemma you can write. Okay, using Euclid's division lemma you can write. Okay, so what it says dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so you can divide this A by B. Okay, so A is 867 divided by 255. So here this is 25, this is 86. So in 25 table 86 is there? No. Less than 86, that is 75. 25 3s you can write. Okay, so 25 3s 75, right? So you can multiply this 255 by 3. 3 5s 15, carry 1. Okay, 3 5s 15 plus 1 is 16, carry 1. 3 2s 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so this is 765. 7 minus 5 is 2, then this 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so 8 minus 7 is 1. Then you can divide this 255 by 102. Okay, so you can write here dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 867 which equals to divisor is 255 into quotient is 3 plus remainder is 102 we can write. Okay, after that you can divide this 255 by 102. You can divide this 255 by 102. Okay, so in 10 on the table 25 is there? No. Less than 25 is 20. 10 how much is 20? 10 2 is 20, right? So you can multiply this 102 by 2. Okay, 2 2 is 4 and 2 10 is 20. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 0 you can write here 5. Okay, so then you can write here dividend is 255 which equals to divisor is 102 into quotient is 2 you can write. Okay, so plus remainder is 55. Then you can divide this 102 by 51. Okay, so 102 divided by 51. 5 2 is 10 you can write. Okay, so 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So I will get here remainder is 0. Okay, so therefore you can write here dividend is 102 is equals to 51 into 2. So you got here remainder is 0. So you can write here therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is 51 you can write. Okay, so dear students, I hope you understand.